Grade 7 girls, please turn to page 90. Let us continue with connect ratio rates and proportionalities. Turn to page number 90. Do you have your books, Malak and Ghalia?
Yes, miss.
Do you have your books with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so turn to page number 90, question number 14. Malak, please can you read question 14?
Okay, miss.
Page
A
90.
contractor purchased 7 dozen pairs of padded work gloves for $103 $103 for
I'm doing it here. I'm doing it here. A. She said 7 dozen. 7 dozen. First, tell me when you go to buy something in Jumla. Yani when you go to some, you know, yani, do you know Jumla word? In Arabic, you don't know Jumla. What is it? Like example, dozen. 1 dozen means how many? 1 dozen
One
means
dozen.
how much girls?
7
No,
pieces.
12. See,
12.
1 doesn't have 12. Like example, if I say, go and buy 1 dozen of scarf or 1 dozen of shoe, not shoes, usually you don't say for shoes. 1 dozen of purses means you will, you know, they will give for cheap because you buy in Jumla. You have different, you know, shops here where you buy things in Jumla and you get it cheap. If you buy one, it's only 3 riyals. But if you buy Jumla, it will be cheaper for you. So that is called as dozen.
Miss, are we going to do?
No. So for 7 dozen pair, how many pair?
7.
7 dozen. How much is 7 dozen actually? If 1 dozen is 12, what is 7 dozen? It is 12 times 7. Am I right?
Yeah, because the 1 dozen is 12.
Yes. 1 dozen is 12. So 7 dozen means 84. 7 dozen means. So let us write here. 7 dozen.
84.
Dozen. That is how many? 84 gloves, right? Is for how many dollars? It's for $103.32. So he incorrectly calculates the unit price at 14.76. He does it incorrectly. Unit price. What is the meaning of unit price to me? What is the meaning of unit price? That means for 1. The word unit means for 1 gloves. So 84 gloves is $103.32. So 1 glove or glove, yes, not S, gloves, no. 1 gloves, 1 pair of gloves. 84 pairs. See, 84 pairs. Gloves is this much. So 1 is how much? Let us do. That means, let us do the calculator. 103. Girls, please buy the calculators, at least the smaller ones. You don't have at home. Divided by 84. So how much is it?
Yes,
1.
I have.
Yes, you have, right? So how much did you get? When I divide them, for one pair, I have to divide. You know why you have to divide, right? 103.32 divided by 84. So you get $1.23. That's why for unit price, I have 1.23.
So 84 divided by 103.
Yes. Yes. And you know what did mistake this do? He divided by 7. He did not divide by 84. He thought there are 7 pair of gloves. But there were 7 dozen. What does 7 dozen mean? What is the word of dozen? 12. Dozen means 12. Like example, if I say, we are planning to give gifts in the class. Go and buy a dozen of hair bands. So how many hair band you will buy? If I say 1 dozen, buy 2 dozen, so how many you will buy? 24, right? Did you understand, Malak?
Yes. But
If
when
I
I
ask-
did it, when I divided, I got another number.
My dear, did you divide with the calculator?
Yeah.
Miss, Miss,
103.
103.32
Come on.
divided by 84.
84, yes. How much did you get?
I got
1.23.
3.22875.
Wrong. Do it again. Do it again. 103.32 over 84.
Yeah, 103.
0.32
0.
over 84. So write $1.23. It's not 32, it's 23, sweetie.
I got the same answer.
Got the same answer?
Divided.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
No, still miss. I got this answer.
We still need to eat.
Okay. Now, assessment practice. I will explain the question. Try to do it. Or do 16th, leave it, 17th, do it.
We're on, right?
That's what, this is not that easy to do by your own. I will help you a little bit. Don't do 16, do 17. Irene's car has 6 gallons of gas. See, in 15 gallon of tank, he has 6 gallons of gas. Like this is a 15 tank. See, this is a tank of 15 gallons. But how much he has inside? He has 6 gallons inside. This is the, like example, I have a box of, or I have a, bucket of 15 gallons. But inside there are only 6 gallons of something, maybe oil, maybe something. Irene's car has 6 gallons of gas in a 15 gallon tank. Irene wants to fill it at least halfway. What is half of 15? What is half of 15? Maybe 15 divided by 2. What is it? If you do with the calculator, you get 7.5. That means he wants to put at least 7.5. So how much you must add to 6?
7.6.
See. If I add, already 6 is there. But what he wants?
You have to
Have half. So how much he must add to 6 to get this?
7.5.
How much he must add to 6 to get 7.5? Because he wants at least half of this. How much he must add to 6 to get 7.5? You can minus it and check, right?
So kind to be like,
I will do. You must add more 1.5 gallon. I will explain you why. Irene need to add more 1.5. Lean. I have 6 inside, but I need 7. Listen to me, I have 6 maybe liters inside. Okay, my juice can. I want to make it to 7. How much should I add more? Listen to my question. Okay, the question is, the whole tank, the whole bottle of my juice is 15 liters. Okay, I wanted to make it half. Or 14 liters, I want to make it to half. I want to make it up to 7 liters. First time I added, it came to 6. How much should I add more to make it 7? 1. Let me draw and show you. Because I think you're not getting, this is how the confusing questions are nowadays. See, there is a gallon. They said there is a gallon here. Okay? The gallon, the length is 15, how much? 15 ounce or something. Okay? They want to at least fill half of it. What is half of 15? 7.5. So maybe they want it till here. Half. Exactly. Okay. That is 7.5. Okay. This is 6 is already there. How much more they must add? Don't you think so? You will subtract this. So you get, if you add 6 to 7.5, you will get half of it. 6 to 1.5, not 7.5. You add 1.5. So you get 7.5. You must add so much to reach here. I hope you got it, Malak.
Yeah, this.
Malak, you got it? Ghalia?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it needs to add either this, it needs to add okay. If gas costs 3.80 per gallon, see, 1 gallon is $3.80. So for 1 gallon, how much it was? 1 gallon, how much? For 1 gallon is so much. For 7.5, it is how much? It is 7.5 times 3.8. It's half full. It would cost how much? Let us check. 7.5 times 28. 1 gallon is 1 gas cost per 1 gallon is so much. So 7.5 is 15 times 'Girls, just tick the others. That's it. We will not get more confused now. Just take these 17, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Put a cross mark there, the 16th one. Let us go to another lesson. I'll just pause the recording so that